Alright, so let's look at our science calendar for the last week. So right here it says recycling resources. So let's go down to this worksheet. Many things we use every day affect the environment. Draw a line from the activity to the thing it most affects. So we have paper, car, water, and a house. So what can you do to reduce your use of our natural resources? So you're going to match. So for example, paper, where do we get it from? Trees. Perfect. And then once you've done matching, I want you to fill out what can you do to reduce your use of our natural resources. Then you have this worksheet. It says getting and processing natural resources can require a lot of energy. This can create pollution. Recycling existing goods into other materials can save energy and reduce waste. There are many ways of each of us can help. By buying less, reusing what we can, composting, and recycling are some ways to save natural resources. How can you help? So tell me here what you can buy less of, what you can use less of, and how you can save energy. How can you compose, recycle, and also give me an idea what something else you can do. Once you're done, take a picture and submit it for 8th grade. Good luck.